I just completed David Perell's Rite of Passage course, and the reason why I took the course is because I really enjoy to write. I love writing. I love reading. I love reading great writing, and I wanted to be a better writer. And his process is so unique because it's creative, it's thoughtful. He's got a process, but he makes you write, and it just doesn't make you write anything like go write a chapter of your book. He gives you specific writing examples, like write about the one question you get asked all the time. You know, there's always one question that comes up all the time, right? And for me, it's why did you start Vi? You know, and so you got to write about it. The other writing project that I loved was your 12 favorite problems you like to solve. And so it's really fascinating because there's things that we think about all the time, right? There's these certain things that maybe in business or in life or something you're just intellectually curious about that you're just like kind of solving, and he wants you to write about them. And you know, that can lead for some people maybe a side gig, like, oh, I didn't realize I really loved SEO marketing. And he just has this way for you to think, you know, so differently. And because you think differently, I believe with his process, you can then write in such a way that's interesting, right? You want people to be interested in what you write and to have perspectives. Here's another writing example that says, write about your unique perspective. Pick a perspective that you've got a unique thinking on and write about it. And we all do, right? I mean, think about everything that's going on these days, you know, whether or not you want to write about something that's political or not. But the point is, we do all think about things in a unique way. Would you write about it? So what I loved it was that, you know, it seemed like it opened up how even I write, where sometimes I write more from a business perspective and how could I incorporate more creativity or more fun or, you know, just an interesting way to communicate, you know, my thoughts. And I'd highly recommend it. He's very engaging. He cares. He really wants the people going through the program to succeed. And it's very collaborative. So the people in the group are helping you and giving feedback. So it's just a great experience.